How to fix the glitch of Monopoly Go. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can fix the glitch on Monopoly Go. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your Monopoly Go app, and if it gives you a glitch that you cannot open your app, then what you have to do is just go to your phone settings and clear the cache data for your app of Monopoly Go, and then you should be able to open your Monopoly Go app. And if it still gives you the glitch of not opening, what you have to do is just try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it, and then just try to open it and it should open then. But if it still does not open, just turn the airplane mode on, and then what you have to do is turn it back off and then try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data networks, and then you have to open your app again and the glitch must be solved. So these are the three methods that you can use to solve the glitch of your Monopoly Go app, and I hope you liked the process and found it easy. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.